What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Trinh Hendrix coming to you guys with another video. Today we're going to be taking a closer look at the two most recent Nike Fear of God sneaker releases. We have the Nike Fear of God Mocs, and we have the Nike Fear of God Raids. Let's start off and take a closer look at the tags of each box. So here is the Nike Fear of God Raids right here. Comes in the typical orange Nike Fear of God sneaker box. Here it is again. Alright, quick pause right here. If you are new to my channel, smash that subscribe button down here. But if you are tuning in like usual, thanks for the continued support. But let's dive back into the shoe. Alright, first let's take a closer look at the Mocs. So as you can see, there's no shoelaces on here. Just the draw cord in the back, the strap with the black Nike logo, as well as a magnetic button right here. As you can hear it snap in. It has the traditional Nike Fear of God midsole with the air unit, as well as the print right here. As you can see, the raised print. So here's the Raids. They have the double strap, just like the traditional Nike Raids that released way back. This material is actually a lot nicer than I thought from pictures. It's like a suede nubuck material. Has the same midsole, same outsole, adjustable drawstring basically too, but it's not a cord. It's actually like the shoelace material. Let's see here. Let's unstrap this for you guys to see. So it has another Velcro patches right here, so the two straps can overlay on each other. Sorry. But yeah, this one's gonna be your light bone and black sail. So that's why you can see the color difference is just a slight shade. This one's almost like a white platinum, right? That's why the pure platinum comes from. But out of the two shoes, the Mocs were definitely not as hyped up as the Raids. Everyone was shooting for the Raids, but to be honest, I'd rather wear the Mocs over the Raids any day. I've worn them for the past 2 days since release day, so they are a little bit dirty. I haven't worn the Raids yet, so I guess I can't really say they feel better or anything like that, but the way they look, I like the Mocs. I know I'm gonna get a lot of criticism for that because everyone's saying the Mocs are ugly, the Raids are where it's at, but if you know me, I don't really wear a lot of the bulkier shoes, but I'm trying some new things out. The biggest thing I was going for were the sweatpants, but those sold out on me. The Mocs came to $242.50. They were $225 retail. The Raids were $250 plus tax. That comes to about $282.50 out here in Canada, in Ontario. But you let me know which one you prefer best, the Mocs or the Raids, and why. Not because it's more hyped up. You guys gotta remember that there's always a big controversy between why someone likes a shoe or not. But we'll get more into that in another video. So this is supposed to be just a quick video overview on the Nike Fear of God Raids and the Nike Fear of God Mocs for you guys to see. They came out this past Saturday, April 27th. You might be able to catch the Mocs still at a few stores. Some of them are sitting, some of them are restocking, but the Raids you're gonna have to pay a little bit over retail for. Mocs, even resale value, there is really none. So hit up StockX and you'll be able to probably grab a pair. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and share the video. Trinh Hendrix out.